Hi everybody, welcome to Baking with Big Banana. I'm your Big Banana, Bennett, and today we're going to be making one of my favorites, banana bread. Now, what you may be saying is, Ben, why would you eat your friends, your family? Isn't that not considered bananabalism? Well, to that I would say, no. The Big B loves his friends, and he would never do anything to hurt them. But these bananas are at the end of their life. And in the true spirit of environment, we want to recycle them and have them give life to new and better things. So we're going to recycle them into banana bread, and it's going to be good in my tummy. Alright, so this is going to be an instructional video, so if you want to follow along and bake with us, that would be great. It also will earn you points towards your team total. So, let's start off with our ingredient list. We're going to have 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, I'm using a margarine, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and 3 overripe bananas. Heat our oven at 350 degrees. Alright, so step 1, we're going to add our dry ingredients, our flour, got our baking soda, and we got our salt. We're aiming for about 1/4 teaspoon. That's probably good there. So we're gonna combine those. And set aside. Our next step is to combine our sugar and butter. In there. And we're just going to whip to combine. So now we are finishing up mashing our bananas, get them nice and mushy. And we're going to add those and our 2 eggs to the bowl with our sugar and butter mixture. Eggs in as well. So now we're going to take this and combine them again. Make a nice little soupy mixture. So now we're going to take our flour mixture and combine it with the wet ingredients. Now we're just mixing it so it gets hydrated and forms a nice cohesive dough. Okay, our last step is to pour our mixture, which should look a little something like this, into our greased baking dish. You can use a loaf pan or really anything to hold our mixture. And once we get it all in, we don't want to waste anything because here in the environment we hate food waste. Especially when it's this freaking good. I mean, it was like my cousin's bat mitzvah. Bananas everywhere. So now we're going to spread it out evenly throughout the baking vessel. I'm just going to draw a cute little ES because I love my E and B pride. E-S. Because you can't spell best without ES. I'm going to bake on the middle rack for about 60 to 65 minutes. Alright folks, now that our banana bread has baked for 1 whole hour, we are going to take it out and see what we got. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Now you should get some browning on the top, but it should be pretty fluffy in the middle. And what you do to check if it's done, take a knife, insert it, so we'll put it into our E, and if it comes out clean, you're good to go. I hope you had a good time and made some delicious banana bread with me. Have a great time in the rest of your orientation activities for the rest of the week. I'll be bumping in and out of team meetings and other video calls, so take a look, and if you see me, feel free to give me a wave, say hi. Alright, well that brings us to the end of this episode of Baking with the Big Banana. I've been your Big Banana, Bennett. Bye!